If your window sash is stuck because the tilt mechanism is broken, you're not alone. Getting that thing out can feel impossible, but there's ways to make it happen. So, first off, don't force the sash out, or you might break more stuff, which just makes things worse. Try to locate the tilt latches on the sides of the sash. They usually pop out when the mechanism works right. If those latches are stuck or broken, use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry them open, but be super careful not to crack the frame or glass. Next, check if there's any debris or paint that's gumming up the works. Clean it out with a cloth and some rubbing alcohol. Sometimes, spraying a bit of lubricant, like silicone spray on the tilt pivots, helps free up the mechanism. If the tilt mechanism is totally busted, you can try removing the sash by loosening the screws on the side jambs. This can give you a bit more wiggle room to slide it out. Remember to support the sash with one hand so it doesn't drop once it's loose. And if all else fails, calling a pro might save you time and headaches instead of risking damage. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with a broken tilt mechanism is forcing the window sash out, which often leads to cracked glass or warped frames. Always go slow and gentle. Another common problem is not cleaning the track or pivots, so dirt and old paint cause everything to jam up. Keeping those parts clean is key for smooth operation. Lastly, a lot of folks forget to check if screws have loosened or rusted over time, which can mess up how the tilt mechanism functions. Tightening or replacing those screws usually fixes a bunch of trouble. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle window repairs like this without any hassle. For contractors, it's a solid way to find new customers who need help with home projects, making work easier to find and manage.